Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when your display is caught in two different portions on Asus TUF Gaming screen. And to do this, right here we'll need to click on the joystick button on the right back side of the screen. Then click on it again to enter menu. And now scroll down for the wrench button. And here you should be able to see game visual demo mode, and when it's enabled, as you can see, the screen is cut in half so that you can see the difference between different modes that you plan on using. And if you want to disable and fix the problem, make sure that it's off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.